Well, the design here calls for mass planting in a curving garden bed and mass planting of annuals and other colourful perennials. You might want to give your client an elevation view of the design, and for that we can look at library, plants, standard and another group of elevation patterns, or symbols rather. And as you scroll through, you can see that there are a number of them here that can be used for different purposes. Some of them are grouped, such as that one. But if we pick this one here and insert it into the drawing, you can see the plan of it is down there. So we can just very simply line that up like so. So we're getting an elevation view, looking, if you like, from the path to the constructed trellis that's behind there. Let's just have a look at its height. It's 3 meters high, so the average male is maybe 2 meters high, so that's a good screening feature for a design. So you can see these elevation symbols can help. One thing you might want to do is pick the block for the trellis there and use tools and send that to the back. And if you needed to, you could further edit this symbol, and you could put some sort of polyline behind the canopy to get better definition if that's what you want. So we're giving the client a little bit of an idea of what the elevation view of the design, which is by no means finished, of how it will develop. If we move back into the design proper, I've got a raised garden bed here, and the polyline that denotes it is filled. I click here, and I've also got a polyline around that area, but the polyline is not closed and needs another segment to it. And in order to do that, if I pick this, let me zoom in, if I pick this line here, then you see that's the outer edge of the raised bed. So this is an occasion where I need to draw another line from the end of that one to the end of this one here. So it's a line, in fact, on top of an existing polyline segment. So I'll exit from there. Now when I pick that red polyline there, appears to be closed, but it's not. Now I can join it, and then we could use the modify and match properties. Just pick there and click in there, and we're done. Tools, send that to the back. You might well want to change the colour of the ground surface through there. This might well be a slightly darker colour, so you could click in here, go to true colour here, and pick some sort of brownish to indicate a raised vegetable bed area. So I hope that helps, taking a little look at the elevation group within the standard symbols in gCADPlus.